Hey guys, welcome back to 25 Sweetpeas. Today it is time for another new nail art design, and today we have definitely gone Valentine's-like, and we are doing a heart-shaped hot air balloon manicure because, well, why not? And I'm using the polish that I actually featured in today's earlier swatch video called Put It on the Map, coming out very soon from Glisten and Glow. So first up, you want to start with 3 coats of that as your base, and you're going to let that dry, and then it is time for your art. For this, I'm kind of using what I would consider like a magenta pink acrylic paint. And as you can see here, I started with just a line down the middle so I could create the basis of the heart. And then on each side, I'm going out and outlining the heart. This way I found super easy for this design because we do want a bigger, chunkier heart than what you would get with a dotting tool. And I just found this way to be very easy to do and manageable. If you like mess up on one side, you can kind of just go even it out, as you guys will see me doing over the course of this video. And now is a part where you just fill it in and you can kind of just make it look a little even on each side. But the cool thing about this design is that it is a hot air balloon, so you don't need any like sharp parts. You kind of want it to have a rounded feel to it because it is, you know, imitating a balloon. Next up, it is time to put the basket. So I'm going directly under the heart with a very tan shade of brown, and I'm creating the basket. Later we're going to go in with like my traditional brown acrylic paint and just put some like little textury lines into the basket to give it a more realistic look. Now that that is done, it is time to connect everything together. So for that, I'm using a lighter shade of pink, basically a bubblegum pink, and I'm putting a line across the heart, which is kind of going to give you the idea of what is going to connect everything. I wanted to create this line to have a very kind of like a rounded feel to it as well. So as you can see, I'm kind of rounding out the edges, and then from that edge, we are actually going to take it directly down to the basket to connect the big heart balloon to the basket. After that, off to the edges, I'm going to take some white acrylic paint and kind of just put in some corners of clouds. On the rest of my nails, I actually painted out full out clouds, and I just wanted to bring all of them together by doing this. And that's it. After your design is dry and you feel like it is time for top coat, you go ahead and put on your choice of top coat. Matte and shiny will look great on this design. If you're taking pictures of it, of course matte is going to make it show better up in photographs, but if you just want to enjoy it for yourself, shiny is going to do it wonders. So after that, you're all done. As you can see here, I kind of went with a matte like satin finish. It is still kind of drying at this point, but that is it. Super easy to do, fun, very Valentine's Day without being like overly red because you got that blue sky background, and I just really liked it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching. If you want to hear more about this polish, be sure to check out the description box because I will link to the other blog post that has all the information on this polish because it releases later this week. So anyway, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will see you guys back here tomorrow. Bye bye.